And we delegated that power to the NTC under that law we passed. We can take it back. And Congress can exercise it regard the NTC. Let's hear from the boss.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, for the opportunity, and thank you, Mr. Chairman, for your patience in hearing me through all the hearings, despite the fact that at times I have to raise my voice. Now, a lot of financial, technical, and constitutional issues has been raised. And the way I see it on the floor, the answers are all wrong. Like, say, for example, the comment of Congressman Suarez, that yung makita daw ng text invoice ay wala ng gasto because kasama na. Let me explain this. Ang text quote sa voice, may module yan. Originally, the module has, say, for example, 7 channels. Of that 7 channels, 6 channels are dedicated to voice. 1 channel is text originally because hindi namin alam na magkagano ng text na namin. Now, kung ang 6 channels ay dedicated to voice, mas marami po ang text kaysa voice. Dumami ang text, babawasan natin ang channel na yun. We have to change the architecture. Yung 7 channels na yun, instead of 1 channel for text, gagawin natin, say, for example, 4 na lang, or 4 na ang text, 3 na ang voice. Sa mga tweet, kung ang module na yun ay pinakomodate 50 callers on text, dahil kinuha mo na ang channel ng voice para kukupahin ng mga text, bibili ka pa ng panibagong module to accommodate the voice because nadi-display yun sa channel. So, hindi totoo na dahil bumili ka na ng module sa voice, dala na ang text. So, instead na kung kailangan mo isang module lang for the voice, bibili ka ng marami because nadi-display ng text. Now, that is the technical, the mechanical. On the other hand, the costing, I was telling you, yung average namin is 23 centavos. I dispute the statement of the Commissioner. Because sa 23 centavos, ang net income lang namin is 2. And I will tell you later on how we cost this. Now, 2 zonas ago, the President came to us. The President of the Philippines, sabi niya, pwede ho ba na yung 1 peso text, which is only 9% of the total text, gawin natin 50. Although we were offering already free texts, we were already offering text costing only 10 centavos. We were offering unlimited text. So sabi namin, Madam President, we will. So naglagay kami ng promo for the 50 centavo text. And the President so proudly announced it during the second to the last. Now here we are. We are trying to bring down the text. The chairman is saying, let us put a maximum of 84. Is that an unbridled license for us now? To remove the free text, to remove the 10 centavo text, and go immediately to 80. Samantalang nakiusap na ang Presidente sa amin na, pwede ba ibaba ninyo ng 50? Where are we going? Secondly, on the metering, I have talked with the Department of Finance, the BIR, on how to go about monitoring our revenues. I am sorry, lady, you were not there in that meeting. You are testifying on a matter very technical and you don't know anything about technical aspects. Now, let me point this out to you. During the initial hearing, ang sabi po ni Congressman Suarez, ito pong metering will simply monitor the quantity, which is being pointed out by Congressman Nagago. It will point the quantity of telecommunications transactions for purposes of the 5 centavo per tax. Kaya, the metering is related to the 5 centavo per tax. But we agreed before that the metering cannot distinguish the pricings of the text, and the metering, in fact, cannot approximate the gross revenue of the telcos. Now, if you are going to impose the 10 peso centavo at 10% on the gross, that is ad valorem. You have to know the price, but the metering cannot know the price. So, anong sinasabi natin ngayon? What we are now discussing is an entirely different bill. I must move, for the sake of clarity, na if this is now the new trust of the committee, we already archived the original bill, so we will tackle this. We archived the original bill because this is a totally different bill. Why? Because the first bill takes about 5 centavo per text, quantity-wise. This one says this is ad valorem, so totally different. Number 2, the first bill speaks of metering anchored on the 5 centavo per text. Quantity again. But you cannot apply the metering here because this is already ad valorem. Therefore, this is already a totally different bill. May I request that we archive the original bill. We are going to file a position paper against this again. Now, what is very important here is the no pass on. Come on. Let us be realistic about this. And be honest about this to the public. Let us not deceive the public. Mr. Chairman, during the last hearing of this case, you said that all taxes are possible because these are the cost of business. Mr. Chairman, you were quoted repeatedly in the newspaper, and I have all the clippings. Under the Meralco doctrine, only income tax cannot be considered as a cost of business, but all taxes are cost of business. Now, you legislate. The Constitution says that, basic under the Constitution is that for a law to be constitutional, it must at bottom be unreasonable. You put it against the telco that we cannot pass on. All businesses are doing it. You are trading on dangerous and constitutional grounds. There is, Mr. Chairman, a difference between wishing that there is a no pass on and determining whether the no pass on will actually be implemented. Let us not deceive the public. Whether you like it or not, we will pass on because we can no longer survive with this kind of taxes.
Mr. Chairman.
Yes,
I think it will take us a long time to discuss this matter. I would like to move to suspend the hearing because I would like to attend the mass on the week.
I would like to attend also, and I would like to check the floor, my own objection. After listening to everybody. With all due respect, my
Mr. Chairman, for the comfort of the audience, may I just would like from my colleagues here, is there anyone here among us who would oppose a proposal to set up a computer lab in our elementary, high school, and colleges? Meaning, sa June, yung mga barangay natin, patitipayin natin ang keyboard yung mga bata. Is there anyone here who would like to, who would be opposing to such a measure?
Chairman, how can you say about the motherhood statement?
That's what I'm saying.
What is a motherhood statement?
That's precisely what I'm trying to say. Is there any problem that will be more relevant than